My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you're doing well. My dear kids, today, second last sound of Jolly Phonic Group 2. Yes, the sound is and the letter name is M. M and sound is mm, me. My dear kid, it's a time for picture description. Yes, a dining table. And kids are waiting for food. You see what they think? I think so. They feel hungry. They want to get a food like burger, noodles, and shawarma. My dear kids, it's a good thing to take fast food or junk food. No, if you take continuously this type of junk food, you may involve in different diseases and you get messy and obesity. So you must take healthy food and you check the mama. She is she has healthy food in her hand and homemade food. So my dear kids, you must take homemade food and you must thanks to Allah for healthy and clean food. And do you see here the mice also? I think so. Kids draw food below that table. That's why there are a lot of animals, insects. Dear kids, you never drop the food, and if the food is dropped down, then you take it and eat it. Okay, what's the next? It's a time for story. What's the story behind sound? Asad and Sarah were eagerly waiting for the food at the dining table. They were guessing why the today's meal would be a burger, noodles, or shawarma, but Mama was bringing homemade healthy food. Yes, so they were rats in six because of falling food. We should not waste food and eat healthy food. It will save our body and our health also. My dear kids, what's the next? Yes, you guess it? Yes, the time for song. So sing with me. The mama, the mom and dad make many meals. Mmm. The mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. Yes. What's the next? Yes, the time for word building. So, you follow me? You help me to make new words? Yes. At, 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 met. Yes. At, 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 met. A, and, man. I, im, im, him. A, am, ham. A, app, app, map. Excellent. Great work. Okay. And what's the beautiful action behind this sound? So follow me and do with me. Like, oh, you feel hungry and you want to take healthy and yummy food. So you rub your tummy and you say, by looking tasty and yummy food. Thank you so much, my dear kids. I hope you're doing well and you enjoy with me a lot. Inshallah, we will meet on tomorrow with next sound, next letter. Take care.